Hello, I'm back with a new lens. And, I mean, if you clicked on it, you can kind of guess the title. We went to the Apple store. So for this video, first time filming on the Sony 24-50 2.8 that came out recently, which is also why I'm selling my two Sigma lenses, my 24 and my 35 f2s, which then meant I have money, so I went and bought an iPad. Which, in retrospect, you're probably thinking like, okay, you're selling camera lenses to get an iPad. Why wouldn't you get like another camera lens? Well, the only lens I really need now is a further focal length, because I have 20 for vlogging, I have 24-50 for just standard usage lens. I don't have anything beyond 50 at this point, so like that's the next purchase. But I haven't had an iPad since like 2013, I think, or so. My first iPad was the iPad 3 with our lovely 30-pin connector. And then I got an iPad mini 2, which is when we transitioned to like Lightning, because I believe the iPad 4 is when we transitioned to Lightning, and then the iPad mini 2 was made around that time. And I ended up getting rid of my iPad 3 for the iPad mini 2, and then I got rid of the iPad mini 2 because I just wasn't using it anymore. And TBH, you know, this was over a decade, is actually a little over a decade ago. Apps for the iPad weren't great at that particular point in time. iPad mini 2 probably had a pretty good usage for apps because it was a smaller screen, so things scaled better. But for like the full-size iPad, it was a nightmare sometimes. So I just ended up selling my iPad because I wasn't really using it. But I kind of miss it at this point because sometimes I just don't want to use my laptop, and my phone, I have just the 15 Pro, the screen just isn't everything I need it to be. So sometimes I just want to sit in bed and watch video, but not have my laptop next to me. So then also, honestly, I really want to use this for Procreate so I can make some graphics for videos and for Twitch and whatnot, which yes, I can do that in Photoshop on my laptop, because I do have a Photoshop subscription. But sometimes just having like this would be kind of helpful. So this is the brand new iPad Air 11-inch, the M2, and this was not in stock when I started work this morning, and then when I was done work, because I got out early, this was magically in stock. So I'm assuming someone might have reserved this and then canceled it. So hi. But got the iPad. I did get some other things, of course. So we had to get a case, and because I'm just that Apple person, I did get an Apple case. Oh my god, the bag is so small. So I got the lavender Smart Folio case because purple's my favorite color. Regrettably, a lot of electronics that come in purple are always like this muted kind of purple. Like even this I know is gonna be kind of muted, which is so frustrating, but it's like, I love purple, it's what I want. But the person who packaged my stuff up was really nice. So because I got a purple iPad, they made sure they gave me the box for the Apple Pencil Pro that had purple on it. Thank you, appreciate that. That's it, I got nothing else. Although they're just like, you shouldn't need anything else. It's like bro, literally this is like almost $1,000 here. What else do I need? So let's get right to this unboxing. I also have like a little cart to my side over here in case you wonder why I keep like reaching over there. Because I recently, well, you'll see in another video when I post my home vlog, my Homebody Vlogs 3, because that's gonna be a wild time. But I have an empty cart now from the kitchen, so I have things to put in videos. Alright, let's go ahead and open this. They want me to open it in the store, like, we can help you set it up, and it's like, no, I want to go home, and I want to just experience the unboxing in the quiet of my home with YouTube. It feels so weird to have, just even in my hand, it's just like, I haven't even used an iPad in years. Ooh. Okay. So, woo! Alright, here's the iPad. I'm gonna set it aside for a moment. I mean, obviously we know what's in the box at this point. You know, quick start guide, all that jazz. If I'm correct, there's no more Apple stickers. Yeah, no more Apple stickers. That's so depressing. They might not stop giving them out altogether. But of course we have our we have our power brick that powered itself out of the box. But we have our power brick and then our braided USB-C to USB-C cable. I don't actually need these because I have plenty of power bricks that are USB-C. These will stay in the box because in case I, you know, end up selling this or something, that's kind of what I end up doing. So I keep them in the box until I know for sure. Oh, I should not put the bottom into the top like that because it's not gonna come out. I also got an exercise bike lately, which you'll see in my vlog, and it has a tablet holder, so I can like pop this in there to watch TV and stuff. Okay. I just spit on myself. I am disappointed in myself. I'm just like, I have to keep this because then I can like put this back into the packaging in case I sell it. It's just nice to have that for the next person, but also kind of helps keep it like cleaner looking, obviously. Anyways, here it is. Let's look at that back. So this is super muted. Like in this lighting, you cannot tell it's purple. It just looks silver. You know, like kind of like angle it. It literally just looks silver. I just wish Apple wouldn't make it so muted. It's so frustrating, in all honesty. Alright, it's like, I don't know why they want muted. Like, I think of like the iPhone 5C, it was, they were so vibrant, so colorful. Granted, that was plastic, but like still, like it was just, they were so beautiful and colorful, and it's like, where is that? Like, why does everything have to be so muted? Why are you not closing? Weird. Whatever. Alright, let's go ahead and get this open. Because I need to put my iPad in case where I drop it. It's so satisfying. And this slips right open. Even this is super muted! I mean, you can at least tell this one's purple. Or at least in the purple family. The iPad just doesn't. Granted, that's metal versus, like, you know, a silicone, so understandable. I just love the fake, like, insert they do. It feels nice. Truly. You know. Alright, this just hooks right on. Which I love, and then just boom. Now, I know a lot of people are just like, why do you want to use this expensive folio case when the sides are all exposed? There's not really much padding elsewhere, but it's just like, I'm very careful with my electronics. So I'm fine with a thinner case. Yes, you can get like a cheaper third party, but when I got my iPad 3, I think that's when like the magnetic part started to become a thing with like the wake and sleep and stuff. They've always been terrible. The cheaper ones have always been terrible. They just like rip apart. So it's just like, I'm fine with paying a little extra. So, you know, let people, if people want to spend their money, let them. Just let them spend their money. All right. This is the new Apple Pencil. All right. Just love it's just like, okay, that's it. Just got your little iPad Pro there. Or iPad Pro, Apple Pencil Pro. I can just, oh, that's so nice. I know, that's the other argument. It's just like, it just sits there. There's a lot of cases you get that have that little extra right there so you can fit the pencil in. All right, let me get this turned on and then we can reconnect. So, hold on. All right, we are back, and this has been set up. Well, oh, it's my ring light. Basically set up. One thing we need to do is the Apple Pencil, which I believe you just put it on, and it's just, yes, look at that. It just connects. Oh, that's so exciting. We love when things are easy. Is it just gonna spin endlessly? Okay. Were you pairing for 8 years? There it goes. Okay, now it's actually doing something now. I don't want to type onto it. I'm good. Sure. We'll add my pencil to the Find My. I kind of like that because I will potentially lose this pencil. Also, in the middle of playing this update, because it's updated like 2 times, I ordered a screen protector. So I know some people like to use like the paper, it's like Paperwhite or something like that, like the very expensive, but it gives you like that paper like texture. I kind of don't want that because it's like I don't like the feel of it. Not to mention it will cause the screen to get matted down, which reflection wise very good, but then the colors aren't going to look quite as nice. So all right, I'm gonna go get this set up with all the apps I want and mess around with, honestly, Procreate. I'm like super excited for Procreate. And also I kind of want to mess around with writing, like writing in notes and all that jazz, because I am working on a book. Will it ever see the light of day? I'm not hopeful, but I just want to prove to myself I can do it. So I do want to like kind of experience, you know, writing on this rather than paper, because for some reason where we have, you know, laptops and tablets so out there and everywhere, it almost feels wasteful to write on paper now when I don't need to. And then I still have to transfer it to a digital device. It's just, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. Hopefully after this video you will see my vlog where I go over all the things that I have spent money on lately. Alright, see you there. Bye.